Let's go up to the roof. See what's going on. I got a hot air unit not operating. The boilers are good. They're operating, no problems with them. So we got to find out about the hot air system. Oh, that thing is jammed. There we go. All right, let there be light. Oh yeah. Look at that. Step right out onto a piece of ice. Always fun, always fun. It's an adventure doing what I do. And the units are down that way. So I did one on that side not that long ago. This is the north side. Let's get down there, see what's happening. Problem is, it's working. They're saying this morning it wasn't working. Now it's working. Thermostat was 74, it's at 74. So let's see what we got to do to make this thing operate correctly. Let's try to find what caused it not to work. This is a tricky call because it is working. They reset the fault that's on the board, so whatever caused it to lock out, that problem's gone. So now, just trying to find it. And hopefully it's not so intermittent that, well, that I can't find it. But this is HVAC. This is what we do. We fix problems to keep others comfortable, and I got no problem with that because I love what I do. So it's going to be labeled north side, which is going to be the one all the way in the front, the Lennox, because those are the offices underneath them. It's pretty much right on top of the thermostat, I believe, inside. So looks like somebody's using too strong a coil cleaner on this thing, or they flattened it, but I don't care because I'm not here for that. Here for this one, which while I was inside, we moved the stat from 74 to 72. So hopefully it's not cooking away, it's not burning, and I can find out what's going on with it. Because the biggest problem is when it is working, well, you're not always gonna get it to fail, especially when it's hot. If it's cold, it's another story. So I believe a lot of these intermittent problems happen overnight. They come in, it's cold, it's not working right. Let's open this whole side up first. Like I said, everything on here has been working. And I don't want it to kick on until I'm ready. Nice. They put that where you could barely get to it. Wait, I don't have to get to it. I just got to get these 1/4 inches off. It's even better. Not a big fan of this style. This is like the wannabe Carrier. This unit right here. This Carrier's got the same kind of style. With the control panel like this. Oh, I'm wrong. Why did I think they were quarters? Well, back to the 5/16. Quarter. I guess I looked at that, I saw the 1/4, and I thought they were all 1/4. Even though 3 of them are 5/16. Move this out of the way. What does it look like? Okay, let's turn it off for now so I can get in. Quarters. Here's the control panel. If they didn't reset it, it would blink, but this doesn't have a memory. It has no way to look into its previous history. They said anything looks like it's wearing out, any relays, anything, just swap it. Contact points look good on these. Relay doesn't have any blackening on the side. We'll see when we turn it on. That's air conditioning, so it doesn't matter for heat. Let's see inside this thing what's happening. Let's see what that flame sense looks like. I have a screw here, screw there, a couple in the back. I could open the side door, but it doesn't really give me access to in here, because then you got to tear all this metal stuff apart right here, and you're really not getting good access. I know, I should just look, I'm not gonna change anything just yet. That's blackening. Is that getting hot? What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna regret this. I always hate taking this off because this stupid lip here. Why did they put it? I don't know, but it gets in the way of coming in and just grabbing the wire. Puts you at a bad angle. Then I could pull it off, but like I said, this is horrible that they did that. Let's see what I could do. Maybe move it a little. So I want to be able to, well, actually, no, I'll check up here. The flame current. I won't even bother down there. Let's turn this on and see if it starts. Blower kicked on. Get my jumpers ready. Get my meter ready. It's not starting up yet, but it's okay. I also want to check gas pressure, because right now it's like 20 degrees out. It hasn't gotten that warm. And when you have temperatures like this, quite often what happens is that the meters freeze up a little. Ice or moisture inside, and they don't open all the way. Inside's probably still warm. Therefore, I gotta bypass the flame sense. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Right here. Let's pull it off so I don't break it. I've had many of these boards go bad on these Linuxes, where they just don't read the flame current good. I wish I could say I haven't. Changed many of them. I've even had bad wires. They're wrapped up, they come across tight, and they get a bend in it, and it just kind of breaks the wire. All right, we're connected to that. Put that there. I don't even need my jumpers. So air conditioning, common, heat, single stage. So red off the unit over here. Let's get these next to each other. This guy's cut. That's probably stage 2. I could either twist those together, I could use these. These are getting close to their last job. They don't open too easy anymore. Ugh. We've got power. Clip this over here. This guy's bent, the one I'm clipping on right now. This over here. Okay, I didn't unpower it, so. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a 3 flash. We'll come back to that. 3. Rollout switch open, pressure switch open with combustion air inducer on. Off. Saying the rollout, I mean the air proven switch could be open. Yeah. Combustion air or pressure switch closed. So I could have brought it on and off real fast. The fan started. I doubt it went enough to cause it to open. I'm just waiting for the inducer to stop spinning. Now the flame sensor, yeah, it looks like it could be dirty. Let's see what it does. All right, so now the flash. Okay, it's just steady. It's on. Steady flash. System okay, call for heat. Inducer's now started. I got my meter breaking, the board, the wire to the board. Doesn't tell me that the wire's not bad going down here, but that's where I'm gonna start, is seeing what my flame current is. Like we're off to the races. And that doesn't really look that bad. I must have my wires backwards. Okay, I got minus, but still it doesn't matter. Yeah, my flame current looks pretty good. Usually I think on Lennox's it's like 2 where it cuts out. So I don't think that's the fault, because it's like almost 4. 3.8, swimming between 3s, but still 3.8, 4. All right, so now what we'll do, so I was gonna clean it. Gas pressure. Down on the bottom of that. All right. So what I should do next is verify the gas pressure is good. That's a high, low, medium, a 2-stage gas valve. So, got to make sure it's okay. Second stage of heat's cut off, the brown. I guess this thing never goes to second stage. Y2. I saw cut off brown wire here. Oh, we cut out. One, 2, 3, 4. Limit switch is opened, and our limit has opened 3 times. I touch this. Okay, we have an open limit. Interesting, interesting. All right, open limit switch. So, which one? Limit switch is open, and our limit switch is open 3 times. Pretty sure it's by the blower. Let's just see how many limits on this unit we have. I don't know if I hear the blower motor, but we'll see. So let's go to the limit switch on our gas controls. This metal is so cold. So K's Gas relay, exhaust fan, relay blower, hard start. Okay, now heater, now we're coming down this way. Relay, heater, high switch, blower speed, high pressure limit, high temperature limit, compressor 1, primary gas limit switch. So, yeah, there's only one. Primary gas limit switch, which is S10. S10 is gonna be, where is S10 right now? Just put the other gloves on. Here's a bunch of switches here, but there's S10. So S10 comes off 2, ties into here, comes through. Comes around 2, up, dump, through the switch, back to 6. So 1 and 6 on my plug is my limit. So let's see on that plug the limit switch. First, before I worry about that, let's open this up. But this is the plug, 1 and 6. Why didn't the blower kick? It's not heat. White, red. The other day I had a new guy, no experience. I'm not used to somebody with completely no experience or tools. He accidentally fried a fuse, but it was my own fault for allowing him to wire disconnected pretty much just the common off the transformer. He's new, so he's gonna make a lot of mistakes. We all do. But I just remember that. I don't know why I'm talking about it now. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at what I found. There's the problem. Busted belt. Let's put this right here for now. Turn it off. And this is why I got no heat on this unit. Surprised it's keeping temp with this like this, but nice and warm. Oh, my hands are warming up. Yeah. Stop spinning, people. What size do we have? A39. I got to see if I have one. If not, there's a supply house right around the corner. Literally, like if I walk to over there, Johnstone is now right there. Or there, it's somewhere. Let's see. Somewhere. Actually, it's on the other side. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see the blue on the building there. That's a new Johnstone. So I'll have to just go over there and get a belt. But there we go. There's our problem. I'll be back. I'm back. Fortunately, they only had an AX. They didn't have an A, but shouldn't be a problem. Should work out just fine. Some good tension right there. Just enough. Not too much play. A little play. Yeah, that's good. We don't want to like flip-flop. We don't want it to slip either, which that belt could have snapped while I'm here. I don't know, but it could have been on its way out before it snapped. So, because I thought I heard something at first, but that could have been it. Even if it's slipping, it's going to overheat. So let's just see. Started up pretty nice. No slippage, no squeal. That's what I'm looking for. I'm sure it's not off on limit. I feel air coming out. G is energized for whatever reason, but I just got a steady heartbeat. We lit. All right. So I know it works. I'm gonna close this up now. I don't want to get that too hot, because I want it to operate like it would normally to see what might be a problem. What's the year of this machine? 17. It's 5 years old. Gets maintenance, so I doubt that the heat exchanger is no good. I just think the belt stretched and that was it, because the belt wasn't done since the springtime. Surprised there wasn't a spare here, but whatever. It is what it is. Just got to get it done. Let's get this out. Turn this so that the lip goes there. Drill. Now, done. I could even bring this out a little, because this piece, most of the time people never put that back in right. Like me. Let me loosen that a little. So this way. Why is it giving me problems? Probably because of the way the pipe is inside. Yep. Like I said, it's a pain. Probably got it upside down. But let's see. Yeah, nah, you can't go upside down with it. It's impossible. It can only go one way. So let's get the bottom started first. Leave it to me. I can't even get the door on. There we go. They'll both line up. Not for anything. I do love what I do. Just sometimes it's a little tough, because I mean right now it's 20 degrees outside. But get it done. That's all you could do. Get her done. Gotta get that to go just a little higher. I don't think I have the pick on here, but I got something I can lift it with. Get a couple screws here. So now, we want to make sure this is up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We want to be in the right spot. We don't want to bend it like I see too many people do. They bend this thing just to make it go back. Like this is going to line up perfect. Let me get a couple more of the screws. I'm just reaching up. Boom. Hello, 3/8. Welcome to the party. These just spin. Okay, good. For this, anything to go here, it's gotta be fat, or else it just spins. Do it by hand so I don't strip it. Nah, this one's good. This one's not. Becomes just decoration if I actually leave it there. Well, I'm doing this. Let's turn this thing on. See what happens now. All right. This is lined up. Like I said, people fight with them. Uh-oh. That shield Okay, that's in. This isn't. Good. Now. Yeah, whatever. It's not pulling in. Take one of these stripped out. There we go, that pulled that in. Not sure. I don't know what's supposed to really pull that in, but we're running. Oh, let me put my meter on. Flame current. The burners look good. Keep the... See where we're at on the supply temp. 125, 126, still rising. 27, probably like 70 back. That's why I walked away. I didn't want to watch this slowly move. And unfortunately, my field piece probes aren't made for the heat that these things put off sometimes. I think 140 is the max temp it's supposed to be testing, and you can see it's already 133 coming out. So definitely throwing off some nice heat. Almost time for its next filter change. I think April or March, one or the other. I don't know. That looks like, okay, 135. That looks like where we're gonna kind of stop around here. We may slowly go up, but we're not rising like we were. So 137. Let's see what our return is. Is it gonna hit 140? Slowly, but as the air heats up coming back, it'll rise up. Let's check our return first. So we got, I'm gonna say 140 for now. Let's see where our return air is. See that drop and cool off rather quickly. Down to 115 already. Let me close this up so I can work on getting out of here. Somebody lost all the 1/4 inches on this thing. One thing I do not like is having to change while I'm working on something from a 1/4 inch to 5/16. I like to stay with the same size bit and driver. That's why I'll never put 2 different sizes in a door. I don't know what that was. Good. Do I have another 1/4 inch? No. Damn. What's this? Yeah. That'll work. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, good. It's not going anywhere. It's solid. Before I finish, I'll see if I need these anywhere. kind of don't like that, but all these units get that way. They're retarded. See, return temp 83, 82. Let's see where it balances. It's almost there. It's testing something that fluctuates all over the place. So I have one more screw to put back in. All right, a couple more holes, but no more screws left that I took out. The two there for the side, these came out of the front. I'll pop these in. See if I can do something to secure this, right here. No, didn't do anything. Because there's nothing behind it. So it's not like I could do nothing. They didn't put any metal back there for this to go into. Since there isn't nothing there, and I could put another screw here, but it's like, what's the point? Does nothing for down there. It's like I got 3 screws right next to each other. Again, what's the point? And I could put it here, since there once was a screw there. Oh, look. This is one of the quarters. So I could even reinstall a quarter. Zippy, but let's see. So we have 73. Still kind of dropping. See where that goes. This is the return right here, so we're rising up. So pop that one in. We got 71. I keep wanting to see what it is, but the problem with this is it's going to always move. So I'm waiting for it to finish moving. I have one of the original screws back, so now all 4 of these screws are going to be the originals. I'm making it OEM, and I can take back my Zippy in case I need it for somewhere. I'm thinking the Zippy made the hole bigger. So Zippy goes back. Plus I had a 5/16 there, so okay, good. Let's see what we have on our return. Temp 72. Okay, good with that. 72. Now, right here. Dun, 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 dun. Whoop, whoop. Now we'll see what our supply is. So I somehow came up and found some more screws. This one doesn't look stripped. Good. It is. Right there it's not. So 103, 104. It's rising. I'll be back when that's done rising. This thing's still firing, so. Alright, so this is where it looks like it's not moving much anymore. We got 138, 139, but it's moving very slowly. So we got about 70. I'm gonna add another degree on the return. 73 and 139. We're in range. We didn't beat that 75. We're not going to say we're not close, but we're within that range. We're in the top part of the range, 45 to 75, but we're not. Because 70 and 70 is 140. We're under 140 because we had 73. So we're like 72. You can see it's not moving anymore. So if I came over to the return side, I mean, you guys don't want to see this. It's going to take forever, but it's going to be like 73. I'm cleaning up. I'm closing up. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. And if you don't like me, whatever. I don't care. I was a little off. 71 too. But we're right there by that 70, not 75 split. So I'm out.